got him. It stays 3-2. Homer double-double, strikeout, strikeout, strikeout.
So it's runners at first and second, and a swing and a miss. Kelley's able to finish off a red-hot hitter. 2 left stranded. Middle of the 6th, and Shawn Kelley doing his part to keep it close. Still 6-2 Phillies.
We'll try to go to the opposite field.
Turner drives one to left. Pinder's there, and Kelley gets out of it. So he made the big pitches when he needed to, and the Dodgers leave him loaded. Has been almost perfect, and that's a swing and a miss. And that's another strikeout. 4 consecutive strikeouts by the A's bullpen.
Altuve taps it slowly. Chapman's got it. Chapman throws just in time. Side retired. 2 runs on 3 hits for the Astros.
On the ground towards short, Simeon will make the play to second. Bregman makes it close, but they get the force out to end the inning.
There goes Sanchez. McCutchen. Shallow fly ball. Back on it is Simeon. He's got it for the out.
Not the hardest thing in the world, but not easy either.
3 strikeouts for Shawn Kelley.